Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to do a quick curry. So this recipe is kind of inspired from my mum's cooking, and it's got a base of onions, garlic, ginger in there, and I add some thyme leaves as well. So I use cumin, coriander, curry powder in there, some salt, some pepper and turmeric. To start with, I cook down onions in coconut oil or even ghee to give it a bit of flavour. And I add in my garlic, ginger, and I add in my thymes and then a bit of tomatoes. So you can use fresh tomatoes or canned tomatoes, it's fine, whichever you choose. So we're building up the flavours in the sauce, so next gives in all the spices. I just give that a good stir every now and then so the spices don't stick to the bottom of the pan, so they don't burn. So then I add in some chicken thighs. I like to use chicken thighs because I find the meat really retains its juiciness, but you can use chicken breast if you want. So cook the chicken in the sauce for a few minutes. So I love adding potatoes into my curry sometimes if I fancy it, so that will kind of go in at an early stage so it has enough time to cook. So if it's too dry, add in a dash of water as well, just to get everything cooking. So make sure you season with salt and pepper as well. If you've added chilies, add some chilies in there, and then just cover and leave it on low and just let it simmer and cook slowly. Sometimes towards the end I add in some peas as well. It's lovely to have a bit of green in there. The peas, you can put coriander, fresh coriander to lift up those spices and the flavours. Serve with rice and rotis and it's a delicious dinner.